Today's video, I know nothing about.
Yeah, it's the online gambling situation here in the Philippines that we're going to talk about because not some of those Filipinos, women or men, are addicted into online gambling.
That's not me.
Yeah. So if just like for example, some also foreigners who are with the Filipina, their Filipina was addicted into online gambling.
Were you ever addicted to online gambling?
Sorry, no.
Why you say sorry?
I never follow my father footsteps because I know it will bring you down
Yeah, sure.
financially, emotionally, and even your family.
Yeah, we don't need help bringing our finances down. We're doing pretty good with that all on our own.
Yeah, so it was in the national news that the even GCash, Paymaya, they deleted all the links in the online gambling. All the links of all online gamblings were out.
Is this just for the Philippines?
Yeah, for Filipinos.
Just for the Philippines.
Yes, because just like for example, I mentioned to him that there was an accountant got arrested because she embezzled 900,000 for 2 years. 900,000 because she was addicted into online sabong. Online sabong is kind of like roster fighting. Yeah, it was online. Online sabong. Sabong is a cockpit fight. Cockfight. Cockfight.
Rooster fight.
Yeah, roster. Sorry, roster fight. Yeah. And online like casino. And scatter. Scatter is like a form of gambling also, like in the online casino, in the casino. Yes. So it was a legal gambling here in the Philippines, but it was banned, totally banned here in the Philippines. Yeah, because most Filipinos were addicted into online gambling. They just ruined their life.
So
There's one blogger. He spent 11 million just for the online casino, online gambling. And I knew someone who was really close to our family. She sold her house. She spent the money of her investor. Yeah, so she needs to sell her house just to refund. Yes. And because of the online gambling. Gambling can ruin your life. If you have a lot of money, you can do gambling. Yeah, if you don't know how to spend your money, you do gambling. But you know what? If you have a lot of money and you want to spend it, just do some charity works.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you have spots in heaven when
Yeah.
you died.
It certainly contributes to laying up treasure for sure.
Yes,
Bible says so.
exactly. Yes. But here in the Philippines, oh, casinos everywhere. Remember the late the what is that? The nice mall we've been
The mall.
to? Yes, the mall. Yeah, the New Star Casino, the New Star Mall. It was a mall and casino. Yeah, but there's also a Filipino there, but most of them there were Chinese. I saw a lot of Chinese in the casino. Yep, because that's their pastime. Mm. When I was in Hong Kong, my employer's pastime is mahjong. Always mahjong, not a poker. I don't know why Chinese are addicted to mahjong. Yeah, I don't know how to read that. Yeah, my dad used to play mahjong, but he was addicted into poker.
Mm.
Yep. But I know some games, monkey monkey. It's just a pair of cards, yes, but we don't do gambling. It's just our pastime. Hmm. Me and my siblings, we don't do that. Even if we grow up, that our father used to gambler. He's a gambling master.
He was good at it, was he?
Yeah, but he's not into roster fighting. No, poker. He loves poker. Yes. And also there's always a carnival during festival or festa in the municipalities. We our culture, we love festivals. So in every festivals there's always a carnival, and that carnival inside there's an amusement park and gambling den. Yes, it's illegal because they have permit. So my dad loves to join in that kind of event.
How did that affect your family, or
It
did it? Did it?
it's really a fake because it seems like our father is an OFW, like on and off. Yeah, he was like that. He stayed in our family when he started getting sick, and he had Alzheimer's. That's it. Mm-mm.
Wow.
And that kind of um habit caused him big time illness, Alzheimer's, because no proper sleep, no proper food, and um yeah, it's unhealthy lifestyle.
Yeah.
Yep, that's the thing.
So I guess at some point in time you must have stopped.
Huh?
At some point in time
He
you must
stopped
have.
when he gets sick,
Yeah.
when he don't remember. It's like this. It's really fun because when he started getting sick, like Alzheimer's, of course he stopped doing gambling, but he still loved to play poker. He never erased his memory of playing pokers, but he forgot us. He forgot my name.
Really?
Yes, he forgot my name.
Wow.
Sometimes he used to call my mom as her as his auntie, yeah, or big sister. Yes, yeah, but he don't remember me as his daughter. Yes, even my sister. Yeah, but he never forget play poker.
Mhm.
Yep, and also the video okay. Yes, he can still read words and memorize the lines in the karaoke. He never, yeah, forget that. Singing karaoke and the gambling. Yes. So,
In conclusion,
gambling will never bring you prosperity in your family.
true.
Yes. So, as much as possible, try to avoid it. Because some of your friends, even me, I saw a lot of friends, they said, "Oh, I won in the scatter 30,000." And when you posted that in Facebook, you are trying to inspire others to gamble. Yeah.
Yeah.
If you won in the scatter like huge amount of money, just don't inspire others to gamble. Because once you flex that in Facebook, you are inspiring others to gamble. And you know what? Some people, they always win in the gambling, but most of majority of people, they lost in gambling. Yeah, some are blessed with gambling. Yeah, because
I'm
some
both
people,
blessed.
yeah, because they become rich because of gambling. Yeah, but not all have that kind of luck. Yeah, so if you have money, try to save it and try to spend in your family, not in the gambling, not in a yeah gamble.
So what do you say to a foreigner, like, say he's with a Filipina and he sees that she's gambling and stuff, and he knows
Oh,
it's not good.
run
What should
away.
he say? Oh, just run. Don't
Yes,
say
just
nothing, just
run.
run.
Yes, just run. Because I've noticed one lawyer in Australia. He was a retired lawyer, and then he came here, get married with a Filipina, and also that lawyer played also in the casino, but he was like, it seems like his pastime, not all the time. It's okay that he cannot gamble, but he the only sad thing there is like, because of him, his Filipino wife become addicted into gamble to the point that they lost a lot of money and sell their property because of gambling.
Wow.
Because without his knowledge, his Filipina started gambling behind his back. Yeah. He went back to Australia and sell their properties and send the money, and without knowing that his Filipina spent it into the casino. Yeah. It's not really nice. It's not really good. It will really bring you down. It will make you broke. Oh, anyway, we are broke, but we are not
No, we're
because of
gambling.
gambling. No, we don't do gambling.
It's just life.
Yeah, just life.
So,
So I guess that's for today's video. If you have extra money,
don't
do
gamble.
for
Send it to
charity,
us.
not gambling.
Don't gamble. Send it to us.
God bless everyone.
I'm kidding.
You're fun.
Sort of. God bless you.
Yeah.